Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on search bar and type here settings. Click here to open it. Now click on Windows Update. On the right side just scroll down and click on Advanced Options, and you need to update the drivers, so click here to download and install. So once done, simply open Device Manager. On this window we need to expand display adapter. Then right click and select update drivers. Now click here, check this option, select and click on next. Now Windows have successfully updated the drivers. Now go for keyboards, update the drivers, check this and click on next. Close this and we need to restart our system. Before that, go to search bar, type here Chrome, click here to open it. Now search the Intel graphics driver and click here, select the version, latest one, and simply download it. There we go. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.